I would have loved to have been able to be in contact with you. So I could tell you to get in your little buggy and flash down to Montego Bay where the real stuff was happening.
What do you call real stuff?
Nothing much, about 40 handgun, 3 rifle and about 600 odd rounds of ammunition, you know. Little things like that.
So, sir, you think that connected to Tony's business?
I can put it to you this way. The 6 casket that was in Montego Bay kind of defines that as very possible.
So, sir, is it difficult to get a search warrant to search a funeral home?
Oh no. Simple. 1, 2, 3. Normally. But we now have someone to thank for having to stay as far away from Tony and his funeral homes as possible because of the restraining order that followed slowly and closely to the fact that somebody who shall remain nameless but took the man down in a one place without a warrant.
Well, boss, to tell you the truth, you know, Tony I go on like a punk ass bitch. Imagine. All I was trying to do, you know, was just tap him on the shoulder and him face just step over and get in the way. And imagine, him run come to, you know, and I go take out restraining and all that. Him lucky so I never left him in one of them old board box away, man.
I'm hoping and praying that one day, just one day, before I leave these climbs, I'll be able to look at you and say truthfully, he has learned restraint. Instead, he's passing on lessons in lack of restraint to certain people. Okay, next thing on the agenda. I trust you all have the agendas on your phones. Unless, of course, yours is filled up with ganja orders. And yours with surveillance footage. Raymond, you don't have the agenda?
Then I dispel upon one.
Raymond, the agenda was sent to everybody. Speaking of who don't have what, where's your badge?
Badge? I don't know, you know, I figure it's either the home Martin and car or something, but I don't need the badge. And by the way, you need to talk to them people upstairs, you see? You see this idea, so every time I come in, me and Oliver hassle to come in, you know. I don't depend on that, you know. Them people buzz me in,
It
man.
would help if you wore the badge, you wouldn't get badgered.
You have a point.
I know. Raymond, listen. You can't keep coming here and expect people on the 3rd floor to come down to let you in. If Anne-Marie complained to me one more time.
You know the boss, it don't make sense Anne-Marie of all people complain. She really need the exercise to true, you know. As a matter of fact, if I were you, I'd tell her to stop use the lift and try use the stairs. Exercise is good.
Oh, God, Randy. Back to the agenda. Look what you want. This paralegal shit. Young man is still not talking, the one we have in custody. It is rumored that it has something to do with land development, and the minute I hear that, Tony came to mind. I'm almost certain he's linked into this. And there has to be a way to get to this young man. And I think we may have found it.